Everyone, hi, it's Nata here and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this super simple and beautiful hat. Keep watching the video. So, the crown of the hat is slightly elongated. But if you fold back more, the hat will be exactly on the head. This is how you prefer. Like this or like this. This hat is knitted to size 54 centimeters. It is thin, light and warm. In order to knit such a hat we need a yarn. I use the color burgundy. I knitted into threads and used only one ball. Then a marker, a tapestry needle, and a circular needles. Needles number 3.5. So I take my yarn and cast on 97 stitches. For this pattern, the number of stitches must be a multiple of 4. It's 96 stitches and 1 stitch to connect in a circle. Okay. And now make sure you don't have any stitch twist. So we need to connect it in a circle. I knit my first stitch, knit stitch. Okay, and then pass this stitch over. This stitch. Over and pull up the yarn. Place the marker and knit 1 knit stitch. Purl stitch and purl stitch, 2 knit stitches, and then 2 purl stitches, and again 2 knit stitches, and then to the end of round to my marker, and I will knit 9.45 inches. Okay, we'll knit it. So I knitted, and now we will start making the decreases. Our marker, first round of decreases, knit, knit, 2 purl stitches we must knit together, like this. Okay, knit and knit 2 purl stitches, knit, knit and 2 purl stitches together like this, knit, knit, purl, purl, knit, knit and 2 purl stitches together. Okay, to continue, together. Okay, second round and third round we must knit how we see. If I need purl stitch, I need purl stitch. If I need knit stitch, I need knit stitch. 2 rounds. Knit, knit, purl, purl, knit, knit. Okay. 4th round. To knit 1 purl to knit and 2 purl stitches we knit together. Together, okay, knit, knit, 1 stitch purl, 2 stitches knit, and then 2 stitches together, 2 purl stitches together. And to continue to the end of round, continue to the marker. Okay, rounds 5 and 6 without decreases. We just knit how we see. Purl, knit, knit, purl stitch, knit stitch, knit and purl, knit, knit. So 7th round, 2 knit stitches together. Okay, purl stitch, knit, knit, purl stitch, 2 stitches together, 2 knit stitches together, 1 purl stitch, and this 2 stitches together. Okay, purl stitch, knit, knit, and then rounds number 8 and number 9 without decreases. If I see purl, I need purl. If I see knit, I need a knit stitch. We have knit, purl, 2 knit stitches and purl stitch, and again to the end of round. Okay, round number 10. 2 stitches together, purl stitch, 2 stitches together, okay, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, together 2 stitches, and next we must knit 7 rounds, one purl, 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit. If you want a longer gown, then at this stage you will need more rounds. I need 7 rounds. You may need 10 rounds, for example. So the final rounds, knit stitch we must turn, and each stitch and purl stitch knit 2 stitches together. Okay, turn and 2 stitches together, and again turn, knit stitch, and repeat that to the end of a round. Okay, let's turn and knit 2 stitches together, turn, so last round we must knit all knit stitches. It has already become finely to knit. If you want, you can take double point needles. Remove the marker, and I got 7 and knit decreases. I like this. So cut the yarn, okay, and with the tapestry needle I remove all stitches, okay, all stitches removed, and pull the yarn off. Okay, I removed all stitches and pull the yarn off, and so I find last stitch and insert my tapestry needle. Okay, And to the wrong side, I hide the end of yarn. Pull up and hide the yarn. Cut off yarn. Our hat is ready. Very simple and very fast. Its length 11.61 inches. Happy knitting! If my video was helpful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy knitting! Goodbye!